Okay, class, now for some algebra 2, inverse variation. Okay, so slightly different equation. It's a fraction. It's a rational equation. Y equals k over x. Okay, so k is still the constant. All right, and we say y varies inversely with x. So what does this mean? Basically, it means, let's look at the table form. All right, so this is the table. All right, so let's see, xy, just like so. So as our x numbers decrease, when it varies inversely, what it means is our y numbers will increase. So they will in opposite directions. All right, so vice versa, as our x numbers increase, our y numbers will decrease. All right, so that's what it means to vary inversely. So an example of this would be temperature and not temperature, volume and pressure. Okay, considering temperature is held constant, as your volume increases, your pressure decreases, and as your volume decreases, your pressure will increase. All right, so let's look at this example. Y varies inversely with x. Find k. So the same part, we're still going to find what that constant is, and then we're going to find y given some x value. In this case, we'll do 2 this time instead of 12. So looking at here, we have to have an initial point from our data, which would be x equals 4, y equals 3. And we're going to do the a part first. All right, so since it varies inversely, we'll be thinking y equals k over x. All right, so that means we're going to put 4 into there for x, and this 3 will go into the y right here. All right, to solve for k. All right, so we're going to have 3 equals k over 4. Okay, a little bit of solving here. So 4 is in the denominator, so if we multiply both sides by 4, so I've done before, denominators will divide out. 4 times 3 is 12, and that will equal k. All right, now we'll do part B. Well, we got to write it in general form, which is y equals, now that we know k, 12 over x. So we'll write it again with the k value inserted, and we have y and x there. So now we can solve part B, where they give us an x value, and we can figure out what y is. So in part B, what is y at x equal to 2? All right, and all we're going to do is put 2 into this x here. All right, so we'll have y equals 12, substitute 2 into x, real easy fraction, y equals 12 divided by 2, and that is a 6. Okay, so very simple.